Hi guys, it's me Isha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share my simple makeup routine with you all. For this, you only need 3 products. Yes, you heard me. Only 3 products. That too under 500. So that's a steal deal. But first, I will do my skincare. While I do my skincare, let's talk. Okay, so have you ever gone to bed without washing your face? I have done this mistake so many times that now I don't even remember. Okay, so my next question is how many of you have bought skincare just because it looked cute on Instagram? Because same, I once bought this product just for the aesthetic, and guess what? It did nothing, nothing. Also, what's one skincare step that you will never miss? For me, it's sunscreen. Do tell me in the comment section what it is for you. So, my skincare is done, and now can you see that glow? Yeah. Also, when my skin is skinning, I feel like I'm winning in my life. So, yeah, I love glowing, healthy, natural skin. And I totally like it girl energy. So now my makeup time, I will use this blush from inside Cosmetics, and this is like total game changer. You will see it. Yeah, can you see that? I love this shade. Now I will apply the same blush on my lips too. And can you see that? It looks so good. Now I will apply Thora sa blush on my nose too. I love this step. I look like naughty after doing this. And I will apply the same blush on my eyes too. Ekdam na barabar. And then I will apply this lipstick from Wet n Wild in the shade Give Me Mocha, and this is like total game changer. I buy this again and again, and this time I got it for like only 300 rupees from Tira, so like a steal deal. And then lipstick done, then I will apply this mascara from Mars Cosmetics. Again, total game changer. Can you see that lift? Okay, so now my makeup is done and skin is skinning. And okay, never forget your watch and your earrings because gold color earrings are classic. And comb your hair properly because we want to look elegant all the time. And also, if you like this look, do comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.